Hey everybody, a little video of the crane. Haven't put one on in a while. Not going to pick nothing heavy. Just going to demonstrate the smoothness of it. This is a Union crane, local one out of local 150. Okay. There's our lower block. This is our mast. Some people like to call it a gantry. Here's our motor. Let's see. There is a split hoist. Because I prefer to run a split hoist on most functions, especially the block, because it takes weight side to side when you go up and down. There's our two swing motors. And anyways, right here is actually what I'm talking about. Right here, now that's the block. It's for the main block, and it's a dual. I don't know what you call it. Just a single hoist with a separation. So it lets you, it's like two hoists in one. This lets you run one continuous line. See here, and that gives you nice up and down with no sideway motion. It'll roll back and forth a little bit, but that's acceptable. The sideway motion is kind of funky. You don't want that. For all you helicopter geeks, there's my T-Rex 100. Trying to learn how to fly it. Okay, and there's our, let's see, our jib. This is a fixed jib, it's not a lufter. And running 8 parts on that. That's a block I just threw together out of some washers and a couple parts. Little Ace Hardware hook there. Works pretty good. And we're tied off to a can of soup. That represents, I don't know, probably, let's see, 1 ounce of 7800. I don't know how many ounces this is. This is 15. So 15 times 7800. That's what that is. So 15 times 10,000 be 150,000. So it's a little bit less. So it's probably like about, I don't know, 65 tons. Let's call it. Alright. Let's see some action. Okay, we're going to start out with a left swing. A lot of modelers, they kind of mess up because their rigs swing way too fast. It's not very realistic when you see somebody with their model crane swinging it like, like 3 or 4 RPM. Usually 1 RPM is about right. Okay, I'm going to boom down. Hoist up. Booming down. You get that boom in the picture. Now we made some contact with a little hoodie. Okay. Stop that swing. Ain't she smooth? Okay, you gotta boom up. Some right swing. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to slow that swing down. Actually, this main block will go up and down too, as everything's independent. You can see it's coming down. Now look when it goes up. We really don't have to deal with side to side, just some forward aft roll, which is a pleasure to deal with that. The side to side gets really, can get bad when you don't have a load on the block. But we don't have that problem. Stop that swing. Now, boom down a little bit more. Let's get that boom in the tip. Pitcher boom, boom tip. Not, I didn't say nice. The boom tip in the pitcher. Okay. All right. So boom down a little bit more. Okay. Let's see where that block is. Yeah, right there. So there you go. We're going to pick up that block a little bit. Okay, now we're going to boom up. And hoist up. Okay, we're down on the main block. How's that? Got 3 functions going on right now. Now I'll add a 4th. A little swinging. Okay, we'll pick that main block up again. Oh, almost 2 blocked it. Not paying attention. Booming down. Let's see how close to the wall we can get. Let's see, that's 140 squirt and 140 jib, so 280. So we're out about probably about 260, maybe 270, with 60 tons on the hook, which is really nothing for this crane. You know. It's a 2,000 ton class. It has picked 2,000 tons of scale too. So anyways, with that being said, I'm going to swing her around and park her. Uh-oh, there's a train coming by. The whole house is shaking. Is that funky or what? Okay. We got it right there. I'm going to boom it straight up. That's all she wants right there. Probably 80 degrees at least. So, straighten her out a little bit more. Always something that ruins the video, you know? Phone ringing, someone walking in. Now it's a train. Alright guys, hope you like that. Let me know.